welcome to channel Myra. How are you all? So today, guess where we are? We're at IKEA. IKEA Singapore. Okay, IKEA is from Sweden. Okay, Sweden. Okay, and today we're just shopping because we need to buy some things. Me and my mom need to buy some things. So come on, let's go and see other things. The place. This is the counter. We just came in a little bit from the entrance, but this is just the starting. See, this sells super nice. Basically, it's household things and furniture. IKEA. See, they even show kids' rooms, and they show rooms too. The rooms. And like a part of a room, like the kitchen, maybe the bedroom. We're right now in the living room section. Look. They even sell soft toys. Okay, now let's go ahead. See, this is like the showroom. This is a showroom, okay, not a living room. This is a living room storage. So this is a showroom, okay, not the living room. Showroom. The best thing the best thing about here is the rooms are really nice, and the thing is that they show the around the place. They show where you need to go because there are signs. Makes us easy to go here and there. And these closed spaces, they look like they're very easy to move. See, there's a sign here. So basically we were already past the storeroom and showroom. Then we already passed living room. Living room storage is where we are. Dining, you can go a shortcut all the way to children's IKEA. Wow, amazing. Okay, I mean the shortcuts, you can practically see it at the curtains. Okay, and they amazingly made it. Like any of their house arrangements, then you can contact their staff, and you can contact the staff and ask them about the measurement. You can even ask them here. It's like the counters are around the store, so see, it's written everywhere. The living room and entrance room. All right, we are gonna go somewhere now. Go. Here's a shortcut. So right now we are in the dining, as you can see. So this is a bench. They're written in Sweden, language Morbilanga. So this is called sheepskin. Okay, so we just sit on it. It's like to protect from the hard thing. Okay, let's go. Let's sell it here. And that was for display. So I'll show you. Come on. Amazing. Look in here. There's stairs, just to show, because there are stairs if you need it. Okay, come on, let's say bye-bye now. They show something like colors for this tabletop. And you can customize your kitchen. Like anything, appliances or anything you can choose and something, okay? So Larry's gonna go back to the Indian. I mean, the thing is that even a 5-year-old can't get lost if they're smart enough to see even if they is smart enough to see the signs to go where they need to, and just find their parents. I don't know, they won't get lost unless it's a 3 or 4-year-old. That called shelf insert. Okay, just like this. Something. Oh, it's foldable too. I'm just not gonna fold it, you know why? I don't want it to be. Oh, it's not for foldable. See, you have to make it. It's kind of nice because it's obvious how do you make it. This is the kitchen section. Now the section, and these even directions on the floor too. See? There's also directions on the floor. A projectile. And I'm pretty sure we entered the toilet section. Open me, so let's open. Ooh. What the? Oh my god. Right, look at this is cool. To keep your things. Your storage box. Jars. Okay, so they're trying to sell jars. And they're trying to sell jars, not the stickers. They're trying to sell jars only. And they're just showing an example. So right now, my mother is just gonna shop while me too. I will just show you around, okay? And I'm going ahead of her just to show you something, okay? Bathroom section. Bathroom section. Yes, bathroom section. Okay, the next section is going to be the bedroom. Okay, so do you look at this? These are the mats, the bath mats, so you can step on it and dry your feet. And these slippers too are good. These trolleys. No. These trolleys which you see, they are actually for your shopping. There's even baskets, but I don't really know where are they. Actually, they're shopping bags here. Not baskets, they're bags. They don't have baskets here. They only have bags here and trolleys. Now we reach the bedroom section. Okay. So they're showing your bathroom toilets. So basically it's the bathroom toilet, and right now we have this kind of thing, okay? So it's like cold, medium, and hot. Okay? They're really nice. You can get your rooms less than $999. That depends on the room. Your dream room is less than $999. So yeah. Bunk beds. It's blocked though for your safety. Oh, this is cozy. Last time I loved to sleep on the top, but I didn't get to be on a bunk bed. Okay, so basically these are the pillows, cold pillows, and there's like a pretend pillow. There's actually a pillow beneath it. Squishy. Okay, let's go out. Oh my god, see, good, so good. So they are showing some cool environment. And I like this room too. Sell cupboards here. You know, I just love that section, which is in the middle of this whole store, and there's this section. This section can be also seen at the it's just in the storeroom. I think I've missed this section because now we're in the workspaces. I'm pretty sure that section is super fun. It's okay. Let's go. That section is actually for child's learning to make houses. I mean, like It's just like that, just for fun. Now we are entering children's IKEA. Yeah. This is the tent. Okay, looks dark. Boing. This tent looks really small. It's really small. Maybe it's for little babies. Pleasant. Look at this. And a big giant bear to like keep you company, is like super safe from monsters or ghosts. You know, just like that. Even for some things reading. You know, this is a Swedish book. And this is LED lamp. Some abacus. Many of them are so good. Yeah, you basically, the children just take those animals and just play with them, you know. See, there's a bunch of. It's even the mask. Cat pillow. And this is interesting, really interesting. This log. I didn't take any shortcuts because I wanted to show you things. Okay, I guess I'll just wait here until my mom comes. Basically, this is a thing oven. You can open it, which has a baby book. Okay, what's a baby book doing here? Okay. Okay, yes. Now we are out of the children's section and we're gonna go downstairs. And this is a Swedish restaurant. There's the menu. Basically, it's almost non-veg, but yeah. This is for kids. Okay? Because it has leaf patterns. But I'm using this because the leaf one is too like bad, so small. Everything below $5. Hey, who said can be $4? We're downstairs. Hip hip hooray. Okay. I mean, this section is below $5. This is a cool bag, so just put any of your stuff inside. Okay, now we are in the section where it's above $5. Okay, of course. $29.90. I hope you don't feel dizzy. Sorry, I'm running a little too fast. Basically, this is downstairs where there's like cutlery. Okay, there's more sections. Okay. Okay, right now we're in cookware and tableware, alright? Home textiles. Show you the curtains. Okay, come on, let's go fast. Not fast, why do we need to? So, that. Do you know our curtains have different filtering, privacy, room darkening, and blockout? So they have some tags. This is a blockout curtain. Room darkening. We are in bed textiles. Bed textiles. Our good night sleep pillow. Okay, so what are they actually showing is inside the pillow. I really wanted to touch it, but I can't even touch it. It's too high. Now we are at lighting. Okay, it got dark, a little bit dark. we need to complete all sections because I want to show you the section. So I'll not go through the shortcuts. If I weren't making this vlog, I'll immediately go to the shortcuts. I want you guys to see IKEA, so I just made it. I'm making it. Wall decorations. Okay, but the thing is this. This is the frame. You can use it for your belongings. Lol. Okay, come on, let's go now. Something to... I don't know what is this. It's something. Okay, I don't know what's this, but let's go. Come on. Let me smell this one. This one smells good. Okay. I'll show you my expression. Okay, not bad. Okay, now I'll show you next. Ooh, there's big candles, gigantic candles here. Time to smell the yellow one. They even sell it in candle packs. Candle packs. Let me smell the yellow one. Nah, that's not good. Ooh, it's lemon. Very nice. I think they gave it new here right now, so it's new. Oh my god. I think I can already smell it. Are you serious? Oh my gosh. Amazing. Now let's smell this short scone. Maybe it's cranberry. Amazing. Some people, right, they actually get the sense of smell lost. So refresh your sense of smell by smelling these coffee beans. I'm pretty sure they smell super good because I tried it before, but I want to smell them again. They smell so good. Okay, it's now we have our sense of smell back. And I can smell so much already. Smell. This is a fruit store thing, you know. Let's try this green one. Okay, not bad. Alad. Wait a second. There is more of this lunar here. I don't know, I think they smell the same. Yeah, I can't even smell anything. I smell one. Okay. I can already smell my favorite one. Jamalik. I think it's vanilla. I want to eat it so good. I think that's my favorite. This is my favorite scent here. Vanilla is always good. And this is a second scent, which I like. But this smells like you want to eat it. Amazing. It's even in a glass. Okay, let me refresh my scent again. Jingle bells sing. Come on, let's go. Oh, we reached the plant section. Okay, so we reached the end, and I'm gonna wait here for my mom because there's so many plants and we can read them. Okay, so these are all cactuses. Let me touch them. La 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 la. Hey, don't try this. They're harmless if you don't poke them really too hard. They're nice. There are signs written on the pot plant, so. Okay, let's go. God, are you serious? One flower has grown out. Ice cream. It's soya. No, it's a soya ice cream. Okay. One costs 50 cents. So I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Bye bye. I don't think I can show you the entrance, but it's okay.